Your new LIZN Hearpieces are designed for instant and intuitive control, offering a range of touch controls to suit your everyday needs. A simple double tap on the left earpiece activates Listen mode, amplifying your surroundings for clearer conversations and sound. Another double tap on the left earpiece switches back to the earphone mode, which is ideal for enjoying music or making calls with crisp sound quality. Want to adjust the volume? Simply press and hold the right earpiece to increase the volume, or press and hold the left to lower it. To search for a Bluetooth connection, just tap once and then hold either the left or right earpiece. To activate your favorite digital assistant, whether it's Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, Siri, or whichever one you use, just triple tap the left earpiece. To switch between the 3 speech clarity presets, soft, medium, and bright, just tap once on the left earpiece. Now let's review earphone mode. Want to switch between transparent and dimmed ambient sound? Just tap once on the left earpiece. To play or pause your music, a single tap on the right earpiece does the trick. Skip to the next track by double tapping the right earpiece. If you want to restart the current track, just triple tap the right earpiece. You can also triple tap at the start of a new song to skip back to the previous one. Finally, let's look at how you can use touch controls during call mode. To answer a call, do a simple quick tap on the right earpiece. Want to reject or end a call? Just double tap the right earpiece. If you want to mute or unmute, just tap once on the left earpiece. Plus, when you're in a face-to-face conversation, the touch controls allow you to stay in the dialogue without missing focus. And the touch-sensitive controls respond to even the lightest touch, ensuring quick and effortless adjustments as you move. Designed for convenience, the touch surface seamlessly blends with the earpiece's elegant design, allowing you to stay in control no matter where you are. If you want to disable touch control and control your LIZN Hearpieces using the LIZN app, please disable touch control in the menu settings. LIZN, be present.